Namaskar, Jai Hind. This is Kapil Yadav, a life planner in joint venture of Tata Sons and AI Group. We the people, we the citizen of India. So it's our duty to serve towards the nation, towards the people of our country. In the same way, I am running on the path as I am professional in the joint venture of Tata Sons and AIA Group on the mission to cover minimum 1,000 families' dependents' lives. I am here to cover your dependents' lives financially. So in this journey, I asked several times this question is this single query. This is a myth basically. This is a dilemma of the people that they are young, so they don't need life insurance. Yes, they think that they are young, so they don't need life insurance. I think it's false, according to me, according to my belief, according to my experience in the market, that it's false because yes, let's be honest first. Okay, as parents, thinking about our mortality is not a topic anyone enjoys, but death is one of the realities of life. Okay, young parents die every day, not just from medical reasons, but in various types of accidents. Why gamble and take a chance, especially if you are married with children, by ignoring life insurance completely? Yes, if you are ignoring life insurance, you are putting your family, your dependents, your wives, your children in the risk. Although it is unlikely you will die during your working years, it is not necessary, but you are not insuring for what's likely to happen, but instead for the worst case scenario. जो worst case scenario आपके साथ हो सकता है, उसके लिए आप ready है या नहीं, it's a main question. But few people have the funds readily available to fulfill all their wishes for their family or meet their obligations after, even after their death. Okay, the persons who don't have these funds, they require money as an insurance company, as an insurer. That's why term life insurance is inexpensive for young healthy people and can oftenly be purchased without a medical exam. Yes, without a medical exam at your early age. मीन्स वेरी क्लियर कि जितनी आपकी एज इंक्रीज होती जाएगी उतना ही आपके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट लेवल होता जाएगा इंश्योरेंस को परचेज करना. प्रीमियम्स हाई होंगे आफ्टर 40 और 45 प्लस ईयर्स की एज में. कोई भी मेडिकल नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स आपको इंश्योरेंस लेने से रोक सकते हैं, क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस एक आग्रह की विषय वस्तु है. इट्स नॉट योर राइट. ओके, बाइंग लाइफ इंश्योरेंस now means you will be providing financially security. Okay, financial security without spending a lot of money on it. For example, a healthy 35 year older woman cost as a 1200 a month. A healthy 35-year older man cost as a little 1400 a month for his term insurance. Then what's more with it, you may even be eligible for preferred life rates. That means the annual premiums are even less. Preferred rates are lower premiums for the same coverage offered by an insurer based on your health. Having good health reduces premium cost. Okay, and can eliminating the medical exam. The good news is that eligibility for preferred rates is common and could save you up to 30% of the standard rate. So this is Kapil Yadav, a typical Haryani boy. I likes to eat one of the authentic dishes of Haryana, that is hara dhania chole with desi butter. So thanks everyone. To secure your dependence life, be the raksha karta of your families. I will help you to do this. Thank you very much. To be the part of this mission to cover minimum 1,000 families' dependence lives in this decade of 2020s. Thank you very much.